Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox connection error, code 277. Alright, let's begin. First, open your computer search bar and type command prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator, then Confirm. In the command window, type the first command, net s h winsock reset, and press Enter. After that, type the second command, ipconfig/flush DNS, and press Enter again. Once both commands run successfully, close the command prompt. Next, open your computer search again and locate Roblox Player. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Then right-click the Roblox Player again, choose Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Enable these options, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. As an additional step, check your internet connection. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox connection error, code 277. That's it for this video, thanks.